KKL demands removal of Meitei from Meitei Pangal nomenclature, says Pangal must not be given epithet Meitei. Churches, Christians of Manipur and the AGs of All Manipur Christian Organization AMCO collectively resolves to fight against drug menace, poppy cultivation. And India registers single-day rise of 10,753 new coronavirus cases in last 24 hours. That toll climbs to 5,31,091 with 27 new deaths. Good evening, you're watching IS English News and I'm Lighting Monica with you. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene, wear mask. Please protect yourself and get vaccinated to ward off the virus. Now the news in detail. Kangleipak Kanbalub KKL has demanded cancellation of the Gazette notification number 309 issued by the government, Manipur government, at the earliest, or else, it said, intense agitation would be launched to fulfill the demand. Speaking to media at KKL office in Imphal today, Loop executive member Longjam Munindro said that as per the Gazette notification number 309 issued by the state government on September 23, 2022, indigenous persons means for the purpose of this guideline read with the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873, a person shall be deemed to be an indigenous person if he or she belongs to the following communities, that is Meitei or Meitei, Meitei Pangal, recognized scheduled tribe of Manipur, and if he or she or either or both of her or his parents, grandparents or great-grandparents was or were continuously and permanently residing in the state of Manipur not later than December 31, 1961 to be supported by a record of residence in the state of Manipur. He asserted that the same has included all the Chin Kukis who migrated from Malay Peninsula through Burma and central China, Sinlung, during the middle of the 19th century AD. He pointed out that non-indigenous Chin Kukis were wrongly enlisted in the scheduled tribe group of Manipur when Manipur government was sleeping for more than 60 years and added that it should be annulled. He went on to say that the word Pangal was derived from Bengal as the Meitei people could not pronounce it as Bengal. Longjam Munindro asserted that the word Meitei should hence be removed from the Meitei Pangal nomenclature. He demanded that the Pangal must not be given the epithet Meitei. Munindro also said, according to the Constitution of India, they may claim as citizens of Manipur, but they cannot be defined as indigenous people of the present Manipur. He cited that 7 indigenous clans comprising of the Khom, Koireng, Koirao, Kharam, Khemte, Khoibu, Langte, Moyon, Monsang, Anal, Punal, Maring, Chiru, Chote, Tarao, Purum, Mao, Maram, Pumai, Thangal, Kapui, Tangkhul, Meitei and Hiroi Lamkang. He maintained that the rest are all migrants from the western and eastern regions during the 18th and 19th century AD and asserted that these migrants cannot define themselves as indigenous people of Manipur. He reiterated KKL's demand to cancel the Gazette notification number 309 issued by the state government without any consideration.
Chin Kuki group the Fugo and case is about the but she hope Zasis Lakan and Katapayan. I know the Kukis are not tribe, Myanmar, according to the Constitution of Myanmar, 2008. Burma tribe by the Moina, Manipurilla, Kama tribe by doing. Tribe a group of primitive clan under recognized chief. Primitive clan is a quick mangang luang kuman. Among analysis of primitive clan. Merathon and Jim celebration of Pandam consider Tamdi by Yota. Sing the Mayam BT, MWET. The word we take is derived from Tanhul's word BT. And in their words, BT means the fire has been sin. My Ure other than say, Mite is a Tanhul's in a Tonbi Uneva. I got Tanhul's in a Tonbi, Mite, I say, but see, Atopakam of the Tonbia. Me is a paternal line, certainly maternal line, subway.
The churches and the Christians of Manipur at large, under the aegis of All Manipur Christian Organization (AMCO), have collectively resolved and made a solemn declaration on the 14th of April 2023 to fight against drug menace and poppy cultivation in the state. Appreciation at the outset, AMCO expressed its heartfelt appreciation to the Government of India and Government of Manipur on their relentless efforts to eradicate the menace of drugs in Manipur, according to an AMCO statement. The declaration of war on drugs and Nasa Mukt Bharat Abhiyan are indeed remarkable landmarks. Besides the initiative of the Government of Manipur, the vital role played by the various NGOs, CSOs, agencies, churches, village chiefs, individuals and other frontal organizations, both at the local and state levels, are worthy of appreciation, and AMCO acknowledges their yeoman and selfless contributions to the end, the statement said. The churches under the aegis of AMCO made a collective pledge based on Christian faith, biblical ethics and values to extend unstinted support to the Government of Manipur, organizations, churches and individuals who relentlessly work for the eradication of the abuse of psychotropic substance and poppy cultivation in the state. AMCO reaffirmed solidarity to all the stakeholders and prayed for the success for this noble cause. The Church, with all resources and capabilities, will persistently work for the eradication of abuse of psychotropic substances and poppy cultivation in the state and discourage receiving revenue from such sources. The Church, in collaboration with all stakeholders, will unstintingly address the abuse of psychotropic substances and its menace and work for the same at the grassroots level without any prejudice in the larger interest for an enduring future, the state statement further said. India recorded a single-day rise of 10,753 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours. The new infections took the country's total caseload to over 4.47 crore, while active coronavirus caseload has reached 53,720, which comprises 0.11% of the total infections. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll has climbed to 5,31,091 with 27 new deaths in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the number of people who have recuperated from the disease has gone up to 4,42,23,211. The country's recovery rate has dropped to 98.69%. Over 220.66 crore vaccine doses have been administered under the nationwide vaccination drive. The top three states contributing maximum number of cases to India's tally are Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. Meanwhile, in the Northeast India, Assam has the highest cases, followed by Mizoram and Meghalaya. COVID-19 has infected over 68 crore 55 lakh, while more than 68 lakh and 42,000 have succumbed to the virus, and recoveries are above 65 crore and 82 lakh. Globally, the United States of America has the highest cases, followed by India and France. Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren today held a meeting with all the village chiefs of Chakpi Karong area at his official residence in Imphal. During the meet, the Chief Minister and the village chiefs deliberated on a wide range of issues concerning the area. Birren also expressed gratitude to the village chiefs for pledging support to the government initiatives such as War on Drugs and Green Manipur Mission. The meeting also exchanged ideas of other social issues concerning the state. Meanwhile, acting on a post that went viral on the social media on customers being cheated by filling less fuel at MS Ayangpally Petroleum at Wangkai Ayangpally in Imphal East District, officials of CAF and PD and Wet Measures Department carried out an inspection drive at the local petrol pump yesterday to ascertain the allegations. The team, led by CAF and PD Director Robertson Assam and OSD Haubam Bobby, checked the pump machines at the fuel station. The officials then compared the density of the fuel with the density given in the challan after filling 5 liters of fuel in a bottle, when it was confirmed that there was no such frauds reported on the social media at the fuel station. The official team said that the petrol and diesel quantities fulfilled the permissible limit given by the state government. Like-minded group LMG Manipur continued to extend assistance to the destitute individuals and families of the state. As part of the humanitarian activities initiated by LMG, members of the group today handed over basic necessary items worth 10,000 rupees to 24 widows of 5 localities of Lamding. The amount was donated by Laishram Anita of Lamding, Sherapur, in memory of her late husband, Bimol Laishram, a former member of like-minded group Manipur. Members of the group, led by its secretary Ojit Sorokaibam, distributed the items. The women who received the items thanked LMG for their invaluable assistance. All Manipur Disabled and Handicapped Persons Development Agencies today distributed monthly pension to the differently abled persons of Singjamai constituency in Imphal West. The distribution event was held at Singjamai Chingamakha Khetri Lekai. Social activist Oinam Romain sponsored the pension. The distribution of the pension is carried out every month to facilitate the differently abled beneficiaries of the constituency. Pension amount of 1,000 rupees each were distributed to a total of 150 beneficiaries of the constituency during the event. The Kangleipak Communist Party KCP, an outlawed insurgent outfit in Manipur, has observed its 43rd Foundation Day. The main function was held at the 131 Battalion of the outfit. A statement released to the press said, KYKL/MYL 1st Battalion CO Dhana, KCP/MFL G3 Commandant N Mani, and KYKL/MYL Deputy CO Thamba, KCP/MFL 131 Battalion CO in charge Gulliver, KCP/MFL 131 Battalion Deputy CO Scuba, and KCP/MFL CTA Sion were among those present at the event. The outfit's flag was unfurled on the occasion. KCP/MFL Sion expressed deep concern over many youths of the state being drawn in the sea of drugs, adding that they are all victims of drug traffickers. He asserted that in tandem with the rise in the number of drug abusers, violent crime has climbed manifold in the state. Highlighting the sorry state of affairs prevailing in the state, he asserted that many of the drug traffickers have now become wealthy and that they have even joined politics and become state leaders. This, he said, has caused social disorder. Sion urged the people to wake up and stand on their feet before it is too late. The Ibudho Moirang Thangjing Harawa is back with after a hiatus due to the COVID pandemic. The annual festival has long been celebrated by the people of the state ever since the time of the ancient kings. It will begin from April 23 and continue till May 24. Thangjing Seva Mandal, Phamnaiba Phamnaibi, Cherab Loisang and Amaiba Amaibi have called upon everyone to join the Thangjing Harawa festival. It's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching IS News.
Ana Layengi office ki thabak amadi koiba chatpada India ki konung New Delhi da laifam leitabaki awaba koklagani Delhi airport kayam naknana leiriba Mahipalpur da Manipur miyam ki damakta leizare Hotel Ambrosia laifam gi oina lupa lising amadagi hauraga pung kunmari pickup amadi drop ki taxi service laigani restaurant service ka loinana tongan ba khudong chaba kaya phangbigani Vishal Mega Mart Ambience Mall, DLF Mall amadi irap laptana nungairaba mafam kaya yobada khudong charaba mafam amani ngasi ma contact tawbirau Hotel Ambrosia A217 Road number 6 Mahipalpur phone number 9643504772
Electric laktabana maram oduna asabe ising phanglar haibi nungsa thiningai leitraba Thompson Solar Water Heater. Contact number 9862669522. Aikhoigi address Hairanggoidong Nithamcha Karong, Impal West.
Welcome back. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been summoned by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) for questioning in connection with the Delhi excise policy case. Confirming this, CBI sources said that he has been asked to present himself for questioning on April 16. The CBI summons to the AAP chief comes more than a month after the arrest of former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia in the same case. Sisodia, who was arrested by the CBI on February 26, is currently lodged in the Tihar jail. The case relates to alleged irregularities in granting licenses to liquor traders under the Delhi government's excise policy for 2021-22. It was alleged that certain dealers were favoured, a charge the AAP has denied. The policy was later scrapped. The CBI began its probe last year after Delhi Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena wrote to the Union Ministry of Home Affairs recommending an inquiry by the central agency into the matter. Meanwhile, following the CBI summons, the AAP said it was a part of the conspiracy to intimidate and silence Kejriwal in his fight against corruption, while the BJP said that the law was merely taking its course and that the Chief Minister was not only involved in the scam but also was the mastermind. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that one of the most powerful ways to fight climate change is a behavioral change that must begin at every home. Addressing the World Bank event, making it personal how behavioral change can tackle climate change via video message, Prime Minister Modi emphasized that small deeds can make a huge impact when billions of people do them together. He stressed that climate change cannot be fought from conference tables alone, but has to be fought from the dinner tables at every home. In his address, the Prime Minister has also spoke about India's efforts to address climate change under Mission Life and said that it is about democratizing the process. Elaborating on the mission, he has also highlighted its prospects, which include making local bodies environment friendly, saving water and energy, reducing waste and e-waste, adopting healthy lifestyles, and promoting natural farming and millets. The Prime Minister further called on global institutions to support countries in encouraging behavioral initiatives like Mission Life. He also highlighted that adequate financing methods need to be worked out to support such initiatives and urged the World Bank to increase its focus on climate finance. Now the sports news. Pencak Silat Association of Manipur will organize the Preteen, Junior, Senior and Master 5th Northeast Pencak Silat Championship 2023. The championship will be held at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex, Kangsang, for 3 days from April 21 till 23. It will be held under the initiative of the Northeast Pencak Silat Federation and Indian Pencak Silat Federation. As many as 250 players from the Northeast states, including Manipur, will compete in the championship. The Pencak Silat Association of Manipur informed the same and asked the team officials and players of their respective Northeast states participating in the championship to report at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex, Imphal on April 20. Meanwhile, the association further said that the players selected at the championship will be given the opportunity to participate in the upcoming All India Interjournal Pencak Silat Championship 2023 organized by the Indian Pencak Silat Federation, slated to be held this year. In IPL cricket, Punjab Kings will aim to bounce back when they lock horns with Lucknow Super Giants in their 5th match of the ongoing Indian Premier League IPL 2023 at the Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekana Cricket Stadium in Lucknow. The match will begin at 7:30 p.m. In a match earlier, Delhi Capitals clashed with Royal Challengers Bangalore at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru at 3:30 p.m. Meanwhile, Sunrisers Hyderabad defeated Kolkata Knight Riders by 23 runs at Eden Gardens in Kolkata last evening. Chasing a victory target of 229, Kolkata Knight Riders scored 205 runs with 3 wickets in hand in the stipulated 20 overs. Earlier put into bed, Sunrisers Hyderabad made 228 runs for the loss of 4 wickets in the allotted 20 overs. Unbeaten, Harry Brook made blistering 100 of 55, while Aiden contributed 50 of 26 for Hyderabad. Nitish Rana scored 75 of 41, while unbeaten Rinku Singh contributed 58 of 31 for Kolkata. Andre Russell took 3 wickets for Kolkata, while Marco Jansen and Mayank picked up 2 wickets each for Hyderabad. Harry Brook was adjudged the player of the match. Rafael Nadal will miss next week's Barcelona Open as he continues building his match fitness after a hip injury suffered at the Australian Open in January. Nadal informed the same in his Instagram post, stating that Barcelona is a special tournament for him because it is his adopted club and playing at home is always a unique sensation. He also said that he was still not ready and therefore he continues his preparation process for the return to competition. The 22-time Grand Slam champions kept tournaments at Indian Wells and Miami as well as the ongoing Monte Carlo Masters after suffering the injury that effectively ended his Melbourne Park title defense in the second-round loss to Mackenzie McDonald. Nadal, a 14-time French Open champion, hopes to be fully fit for the clay court Grand Slam that starts in late May. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. KKL demands removal of Meitei from Meitei Pangal nomenclature, says Pangal must not be given epithet Meitei. Churches, Christians of Manipur and the AGs of all Manipur Christian organization collectively resolves to fight against drug menace, poppy cultivation. And India registers single-day rise of 10,753 new coronavirus cases in last 24 hours. That toll climbs to 5,31,091 with 27 new deaths. That's all we have for the time being. Keep watching ICE News.